Hello my beautiful people. Today we're doing one more review. Today we'll be reviewing the Rhino Walk saddlebags. Right here in my motorcycle on my Versys 300, they look great. I got the 28 liter ones, that's the large size. And check them out. So here's my Versys 2023. And here's the saddlebags, guys. 28 liters pair of bags, so it's 14 in each side. 14 liters here and 14 liters in the other side. And this is how they look full. So check it out, they're waterproof, super easy to install. So they attach from here. So they have these Velcro things to keep the extra strap hold on and nice and tight. And we got another couple straps that go from the back right here to the foot peg, and that holds it on this direction. And then on the back, let's get another strap that I put right here on my baggage rack. So that holds it on place. The other side is the same thing. And to open them up is pretty easy. You unbuckle 4 buckles, 2 on top and 2 on the side. 1 here and 1 down here. So they roll out, and then you got access to your bag. And to close them, the same thing. You're gonna roll them up. Hard to do it one hand. So you roll them up and buckle them back up. And 14 liters in each side is pretty good size for me, because I have another top bag that is 45 liters. So, but they do sell them on an extra large size. It's 48 liters in total. So it will be 24 liters in each side. But for me, this is perfect. I love the size. They look great, they're aerodynamic, they're 100% waterproof. And yeah, so next I'm gonna show you what can you fit in here. I got pretty much, which is amazing. In these 2 bags I got pretty much all my camping gear. Just keep in mind, it all depends on your camping equipment and all that, but I use hiking gear, so I got ultralight everything. So it's a little bit more expensive gear, but it's for moto camping is perfect too, because you're not carrying that much weight. So to take them off the bike, it's really easy. So they got these little buckles. Where they at? And you just press and pull. It's just really hard to do in one hand. But yeah, you just press the button and pull. And that comes off. You take this off. And same here. This strap is a little bit different in the back, but it's the same concept, you know. You're gonna press the buckle. This is how the buckle looks like. So you press it down, and then you pull the strap, and this strap comes out completely. So you're gonna come down and undo it from here and put it in your pocket. And same on the other side. And then you unbuckle, if you really want to take the whole thing out, you unbuckle this one and they come apart. And the cool thing about these straps here is like they buckle like kind of in the opposite direction. So you can actually use this strap and buckle it on the same back and use it like a sling backpack. Yep, I'll show you all that in a minute. And let's go see what's inside these bags. All right, here we go. We got the bags off the motorcycle. And like I said, so you got these 2 straps, this is the back of the motorcycle. So you got the 2 straps these ones can unbuckle, and now you have the bags detached from each other. Okay, and this, if you undo this strap, I'm not gonna do it because I already have it set up to my bike, but you can clap this on here. Now you got another handle, or you can undo this and have like a sling backpack strap kind of thing. Okay, you see the other straps. So to open the bags, we're gonna see what we got on the right side first. I'm gonna undo here, unbuckle here. And here's where I have all my camping stuff, guys. So I could fit my tent, my sleeping bag, my sleeping mat, stakes and all that. So this is my mat for the tent. This is my sleeping mat, my tent stakes, my tent poles. This is my tent in a compression bag. I got a Cocoon Mommy liner. Got my inflatable pillow. And I have my sleeping bag. And that's all I have on my right side. And let's check out what's on my other side. So I'm doing this so you guys can have an idea what can you fit. Okay, and this is a sleeping bag that is rated for 50 degrees. Okay, and it just packs very small. So let's unbuckle the other bag. And I got cooking stuff here. I got a little camping stove, a tiny one, to cook a burger, something like that. Got my Jetboil with a gas container in there. Have an extra gas container. I got my hat. Got paracord string. I got air pump to inflate my mattress. I have a solar panel to charge stuff. I have my water filter kit for water purification. I have a poncho in case of rain. I have a multi-tool, like an e-tool, survival tool. This is a shovel and a pickaxe. I have that. I have my camping chair. And I have a towel and a portable day pack. And this one wasn't fully packed. I could put more stuff in it. So yeah, you can fit quite a bit. And plus my other 45-liter bag, I'm way more than enough space. So yeah, that's it. Rhino Walk saddlebags. I like them so far. They're brand new. I haven't taken them out yet, so I'll do a longer review later on when I test them out and I put some miles in them. But so far, I'm pretty happy. They look great quality. The stitches are all great. I do love that they have strap management. They'll have Velcros, so there's no strap flopping around on the wind. They'll have this little Velcro on the straps. I don't know if you can see it from there. But here, I'll show you from close up. You got all these little Velcro straps so you can roll the extra strap like so you don't have strings flapping on the wind. All right, guys, so let's talk about the quality of this bag. The bag looks awesomely built. I'm very impressed. For the price, for 150 bucks, I'm pretty impressed. Seams look awesome on the straps and on the bag. Materials look great quality. Over here you got like a hard plastics that goes against the saddleback rack. And it looks great, man. It's got extra rings in case you want to attach like a net to put extra gear on top of them. Yeah, so far I really like him. It's got reflectives. The name is reflective. They're pretty neat bags, and you can fit quite a bit on this large size. And remember, there is a size bigger, the extra large, that is 24 liters in each side. Remember, this is the large, this is 14 on each side. And that's exactly what I need. I don't need more because I have a top bag that is 45 liters. So I can fit quite a bit in that one too. I'm not sponsored at all by Rhino Walk. I bought this with my own money and just wanted to give you an honest review. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification button as well to let you know from my new videos. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next.